Yes, can you solve this problem geometry, Josh? In designing a bracket for use in a satellite, weight is of major importance. Find the area of the point in square inches. B, the overall length of the point. C, the overall height of the point. And D, its total weight. This is the figure. Okay, go ahead and start solving, bro.
So first, before we can do this very complicated figure. We'll start with a simpler figure. So
This is the
yes,
concept, I think, right?
yes. So first, we'll go through the concept of what we're going to do. So the concept here is that we can construct or deconstruct lines or circles or whatever figure into, so we can divide the complex figure which we don't know the area of. Is there any area formula for this L shape? No. But there are area formulas for the rectangle and the square. Those are area of a rectangle. Uh Width times length. And the area of a square is simply the side square.
Okay.
So
So
using this,
yes, can you solve for the area of that? Just, just to
so
show
since this
our
is, yes, so since assuming all of those are right angles, so this is also 4. So therefore the rectangle has length 10 and width 4. So therefore area is equal to 4
yes, can you
times
add
10,
on the can you go to the previous
40.
page?
Yes.
Yes. We forgot to put there that all the angles are right angles.
Yes, all the angles are right angles. Let's just
Yes.
assume all of
No,
them are.
it is really part of the
Really
problem.
part of the problem. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So area is equal to 40. This is the area. So I'm going to put this as rectangle.
Just we can put just R and then S.
Hmm. Therefore, total area is 40.
Yes, 16,
56.
56 square units. Yes.
So here, let's say this is rectangle 1, rectangle 2. Rectangle 1, area is equal to 4 times 6, 24.
24 squares units.
4 units. Yes, units.
Rectangle 2.
And rectangle 2 is 4. So this is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. And this is equal to 8 times 4 equals 32. So therefore, area total is equal to 32 plus 24 equals, yung marking will be another
Yes,
56.
it's the same
Yes.
total.
So, and there's another out of the box solution. Is what if we just use the entire, make the everything a rectangle. So this will be 6 and this will be 4. So the entire rectangle, I will label on this as a rectangle,
Big rectangle.
big rectangle. And this is small rectangle. So the idea is rectangle 1 minus rectangle 2.
Yes.
So rectangle 1, 4 plus 4, 8 times 10, 6 plus 4 plus 80. Then rectangle 2 is 8 plus 4 times 6 equals 24. Yeah, total equal to 80 minus 24 and is equal to 56.
Yes.
So now we are ready
That's
to
the
tackle
idea.
the
What's the
problem.
concept you will use?
So here I have already shown a preview of how I will deconstruct it. So this is how I deconstructed it. There might be other ways of how to deconstruct it, but I don't know. So this is how I did it. So step one first. Rectangle, obviously.
So can you go
So-
back first to page 5? And then show us where is the rectangle up to there. No,
Oh,
Page
wait,
5,
page 5.
there, it's up to, and then we should show it with your pointer.
This is the rectangle.
Yes, that's a rectangle.
Wait, rectangle.
Yes.
Okay, so first, these are our dimensions. So 0.38 diameters, the little one, and then the big circle has radius 0.38. So what can we say? In this big rectangle, there is 0.38, and then there's another 0.38. So what
Why?
else?
Because
Yes, there are two radii
media, yes.
for the diameter. And then this other circle has radius 0.50, so there's a 0.50 and there is a 1.00 after the 0.50. 0.50, 100, remember that. I will remember that. So 0.63 and another 0.63. This is 3.75. So keep in mind again. 0.63, another 0.63. This is 0.50.
And then 1.
And then 1.00. Important to keep the significant figure, so we don't know what this is. So I will just add that 2 times 0.38 plus 9.2
You just add here.
plus 1.00. Thankfully, the internet is fast today. So the sum of this is 2.26 inches in the figure. So 2.26 minus 0.63 minus 0.63 or minus 2 times 0.63 is equal to 1.00. How remarkable. Nice
Yes.
theme. So next decomposition. So we in the figure, just trust me, I guess. So this is 0.63. These are the 2.63s. There, 0.63, 0.63. So now we know this to be 1.00. We just found that out. And then, yes. And then another new fact we'll be using is 1.75 is the length of that triangle. So this is 1.75. Similarly, assuming that is a right angle, 1.75.
Yes.
So
you
area,
compare and rectangle and all.
yes, so I will label this rectangle, triangle. Oh wait, first, before we do that, wait, what is the length of this big triangle, a big rectangle? Huh? 3.75. So this is 3.75. So the area of this big rectangle is equal to 3.75 times 2.26, which is the combined heights, which is equal to 8.475. So here, the
inches.
area of this new area, whenever I will whenever I will refer to the new area now is equal to old area 8.475. Okay, so first the areas of the rectangle and of triangle. So minus length times, this is supposed to be 1.63 minus 1/2, 1.75
So in short, the area now is
is
uh,
the area
the
earlier
original rectangle.
minus the rectangle and triangle.
Yes, minus the areas of the rectangle and the triangle.
6.4975. So those are the areas highlighted in blue. And red.
Okay.
Yeah, so now our new area is 6.4975. This is our next decomposition.
Square inches.
Yes,
Put-
square
put
inches.
the-
Wait,
put the-
later.
This inches squared.
Okay, so now the three little drill holes. And then,
You can shake.
yes, wait. So now I will shade this in blue once, and then shade the inner one again and again. So it appear it is darker.
Even the
Yes. And then this is green. Okay, so wait.
thing.
Wait, the internet is loading. This hemisphere minus this inner drill, then green. Okay. So this hemisphere, the hemisphere, I don't know the hemisphere, semicircle, sorry. I was referring it to as hemisphere when actually this is semicircle.
Yes, semicircle.
Sorry. So the semicircle, wait, semicircle, 1/2 pi r squared. The circle itself is 1 pi r squared. And then circle again, pi r squared. Okay, anyway. So this semicircle has the radius as given in the problem. Where is it? 0.38. So 5.38 squared and then this smaller and this red, this smaller circle has a diameter of 0.38. So equivalently, this is equal to pi diameter squared over 4. So
Why?
that's a formula. That is a formula.
Yes.
So the inner circle, I will refer it as circle 1 is equal to pi 0.38 squared over 4. So this is equal to 0.1134115, and this one is equal to 12.2268230. And then these three circles, I will treat them as one entity. So the three circles, well, all three circle 2, maybe. So What is their dimensions? So 0.31 inches diameter. So
Yes.
0.31 inches squared over 4. This is equal to 0.2264303. So now with circle 2 only. The three of them combined. Wait, let me check.
Okay.
5.31 squared over 4. Okay. So it is already included here. The combined area. So the new area now is what was the previous area? 6.4.4975. As of now, I'm ignoring significant figures because I will just round it anyway. Wait. So this is the previous area. We are going to add the semicircle, so it should be, I mean, we are going to add the,
Semicircle. Add the semicircle
Wait.
first.
there. This should be add.
So put it in order. So it's not confusing. You added the
Minus the circle 1.
and then
Minus the
the
3 circles.
minus the 3 circles.
So this is equal to 6.3844812. Not much of a change, but there's still pretty significant. Okay, so for the final change, this is yellow. In yellow is a quarter circle. Darken it.
Or 1/4 of a circle.
Yes. In blue is a rectangle. Oh, what's this? Annoying. Okay, so blue is a rectangle.
Yes.
In blue again,
Oh, just
darker
No,
blue.
no. Just green or
Why?
different color.
It will not be seen. Green.
Red.
Okay, let's say green.
Or red.
And then red is this quarter circle.
Okay.
Okay, so now this is rather complex.
Nice.
Okay, so the quarter circle, this is QC1. This is quarter circle 2. This is square.
Yes.
This is square. This is rectangle. So the analysis that we're going to do now should be area now is equal to area previously minus quarter circle 1 minus rectangle minus square, but this time add the quarter circle 2. Okay, so
Yes.
quarter circle area is simply 1/4 pi r squared, obviously, and then the rectangle is equal to length times width, square is
Yes.
equal to s squared, obviously, and then the quarter circle is still that way. Anyway, so quarter circle 1 is equal to, wait, what was the dimension of quarter circle 1? we'll just gather the data. Radius is 0.50. This other quarter circle, radius 0.50, height 1.50, and then the other dimension we will have to infer. Okay, so because this is a radius, the width of the rectangle is 0.50. So okay,
Yes.
so this quarter circle 1/4 pi was 0.50 squared. I will not evaluate yet. Rectangle is equal to 1.00 times 0.50. Square is equal to 0.50 times 0.50. That 0.50 squared. That is because of the radius of this semicircle, that is 0.50. So the quarter circle 2 is equal to 1/4 pi 0.50. Oh, they're congruent circles. Okay. So this is equal to something. This is equal to, let's just give it pi over 16. I don't want to evaluate yet. 0.50 obviously. This is point. This is wait. This, I'll subtract this. Wait. So this will end up with this green area. Green.
Does she have paper so we can?
Now to evaluate 0.0536505. So the area now is equal to 6.3844812 minus pi over 16. Should be on the same side. Minus pi over 16 minus 0.50, and then still minus, since this is the green area, I will just subtract the green area.
Yes.
So this is equal to 5.6344812 inches squared, which is approximately 5.63 inches squared. Okay, so that is the first question of the problem.
So for letter.
Okay, so for
That's for
letter
letter A.
A, for letter B, what's the overall
Yeah,
length of the part?
so-
Anyway, so that's already quite majestic. We arrived with the final bracket.
So just
This
prepare
is
A.
our bracket.
A.
What? A.
Yes.
So this is our bracket. So this is remarkably easier. So here, wait, back to the rectangle, 3.75 height, and then, 3.75 the length, 2.26 the height. This is 2.26. See, so it had a nice, wait. So there will be another, I will just, put the mental and draw another line because we added the semicircle, so that's extra length. So this was 3.75
Yes.
plus the radius of the semicircle, which is 0.38. So in total, the total length is 4.13. So this is B,
Inches.
inches.
Yes.
And then total height, which is C, 5.6. So finally,
The weight.
the weight. What is the formula? So 1.5 ounces
Per
per inches squared.
square inch.
Square inch, 5.6344812. Okay.
So okay.
So 5.6344812 inches squared times one
Yes.
point five ounces per inches squared. So this is equal to, oh wait, no. This is equal to
Dimension ounces.
8.451721 Oh wait, actually 21845172184517218. Oh, okay, there's nothing significant. I thought it was a fraction of 7. Anyway, so this is approximately
Yes.
8.45 ounces. Okay,
You
remarkable.
know,
So this is our bracket. And I reconstructed it pretty well.
Yep.
From rectangle to bracket used in the spacecraft. Nice.
Nice. Hope you learned a lot.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.